My dear students, now we have to talk about video screening interview, and this is quite different from telephonic screening interview because it is a video and you can use different tools for the video. For example, nowadays we have a Skype, and the Skype can help you to connect for the video conferencing or video screening interview. And there are a lot of other tools which we can use, such as GoToMeeting, and a lot of other tools which are also quite available in a different locations. So video screening interview is also quite common. Video screening interview is growing in popularity as businesses expand their applicant searches nationally and even internationally. So, the businesses are expanding and businesses are moving to the wider geographical location, and the distances are more. Some of the businesses are getting remote, and in such kind of businesses, video screening interview is very useful and very beneficial. That's because video screening allows interviewers to observe long distance applicants while simultaneously talking with them. So, two things: one, they can talk just like a phone, and second, they can see them. They can see their appearance, they can see their physical appearance and their professional grooming as well. They can see their non-verbal body movements as well. So that's why video screening interview is more better than telephonic screening interview. It also results in cost savings achieved by eliminating travel and administrative costs. If you want to interview someone in Quetta, obviously it would cost you a time, it would cost you in terms of traveling, it would cost you in terms of a hotel stay, it would cost you a lot. So if you would just connect someone to Quetta through video conferencing, it can save your time and cost. So video screening interview is used as a primarily as a tool for screening mid and executive level applicants. So you can screen out the candidates through video conference. So currently, video interviewing is typically used by the following organization. For example, colleges and universities to assist visiting employers with campus recruiting. So this can be used. Then executive recruiters to sort out through applicants throughout the United States and some other countries, not only United States. That is just an example. They can sort out, the executive recruiters can sort out the applicants throughout the country, having a wider geographic location. And number three, corporations, typically high-tech companies and those in the communications industry for screening applicants in a remote location. If you have a high-tech company, for example, you are a software developing company and you want to get candidates from the remote area, it is not a good idea to call a candidate to the city or yourself go to the remote areas because it would cost you a lot of money and time. So better you can use the video screening interviewing. Applicants who find themselves in front of video camera are usually coached. They must be coached at how to face the camera. If they are not coached, then obviously they can be anxious, they can be confused while facing camera, and it can be a problem. So they can learn, maximize how they come across. Here are some of the tips they are typically offered. What are those tips? Number one, watch how newcasters dress and dress similarly. Just look at a newcaster, that how newcasters are dressing up, and you can dress up similarly. Then speak clearly and succinctly. You have to talk in concise manner. Succinct means you have to talk in a concise manner, and your voice need to be very clear. There should be a clarity in your voice. Each and every word need to be separated from each other, rather than there should be a cluttering. Don't fidget. And number four, pretend that the camera is a real person. Just see in the eye of the camera and pretend that the camera is a person, and maintain your eye contact with the camera. If your eye contact is not maintained with the camera, obviously it would lead to the confusion. And avoid sudden movements. Just assume that you are sitting in front of an interviewer and you are just facing the camera, and you should not avoid your sudden movement. You should not leave the place and go somewhere else to do some of your daily task. No, just stay in front of the camera, be formal, wear a formal dressing, and then talk to the camera just like the camera is a real man. So these are the few tips in the video recording or in the video screening interview which can help you to enhance your job opportunity.